Hello everyone, this is the Softbot channel and today we have an unboxing video of a studio light under $50. I bought this soft light box to improve the quality of my future videos. Even though I use this built-in webcam in my MacBook, this purchase has made a big difference in how the lighting works in my videos. So let's unbox this studio light. We have a nice bag. Let's unzip it with different caps that are supposedly go to the bulb, so it will change the color of your lamp, but I think I won't be using that one. We'll just look at them later. Next we have the bulb itself. So the source of the light looks like this, a pretty heavy one, to be honest, with the remote control to turn it on and off. Here's how it looks like. It doesn't have any batteries inside. Pretty cheap plastic, but does its purpose. Another cap, white one. I don't even know why you need the white one. This is the bulb, pretty heavy one, metallic here and there, so this might get pretty hot while using. 150 watts. And here are the batteries for your remote controller. Next one we have a stand. Too much plastic around. Okay, this you can twist all around, enlarge the pole, make it bigger. Here's something else. Looks like it was hidden or part of the bag, but here we go, another green one. I wonder it's gonna be. Okay, so this is the diffuser itself. So the diffuser of the light. This is the panel that goes on top of the, like a cone, and it practically just diffuses the light. Not being that sharp, gonna be soft. That's why it's called the soft box, because of these things. You can attach them pretty easily, I guess. This is the cone itself. Pretty basic. Here's the plug. So you just plug that thing in and you're good to go. And here's a little switcher. You can turn it on and off. Let's try to assemble it all. So I've got this 150 watt LED energy saving bulb with a standard of E27 socket. The color temperature ranges from 3200 kelvins to 6500 kelvins. So now let's talk about this setup. So the light comes with a rotatable head and adjustable stand. The tripod stand is adjustable from 66 centimeters up to 2 meters. Got 3 section column legs, all of them made of aluminium, and to be honest, pretty sturdy structure. It's been a pretty game changer for my setup, because it lights up my face pretty well. We'll take a look at that right after I'll show you the different color caps that I will put on the bulb. Personally, I think I won't be using them, but maybe in future. Right now this only just suits me for the overall lighting. First I'll turn on the light for my iPhone stand for overhead shooting. You can take a look at it in my previous video. Now I turn on the light of the softbox. This is how I look. Much way better. These are the different colors that the light box has. Just the different options of being more warm, cold, or clinical light. You can turn the night mode on with the red button, but it doesn't go back if you press the same one. Overall, not all the buttons do something, some of them just inactive. Anyway, here's the result of Dorby softbox lighting kit that I bought on Amazon under $50. I found it pretty useful for my future videos. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed the unboxing of the studio light. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll try to upload weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.